All right, good day, viewers. Today I want to talk about a topic in physics, which is the solar system. Now, let's discuss about solar system. So I want to use this medium to talk about it. Now, the solar system consists of the sun, which we all know, and those celestial or heavenly bodies that moves around it and bound to it by a gravity. Now, these bodies I'm talking about that cycles around the sun is known as the planets. Normally, in a solar system, there is this object there is this body that is surround around the sun, which is known as the planet. Now, this planet moves around the sun in ecliptic or egg-shaped pattern. Yes, ecliptic or egg-shaped orbits. Now, with the sun at the center. Yes, normally the sun is usually at the center, then they will orbit around that sun. So the planet, starting with the one nearest to it, which is the Mercury, followed by the Venus, the Mercury. Okay, we said the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Yes, we have Jupiter, we have Saturn, we have Uranus, we have Neptune and Pluto. Yes, so these are the 9 planets that was introduced at that particular period. So, and at the end of the day, let's move to another segment of this. So now let's look at how the way these 9 planets are being classified. But they later classify the 8 because they removed Pluto. Yes, Pluto was not part of them because something happened, and I will create video on that. I will tell you the reason why Pluto was not considered as a planet. So we are going to talk about the first 8. How they classify. Now, if you look at the first 8, okay, let's start with the first 4. The 4 the first smaller inner planets, which is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and the Mars, are also called the terrestrial bodies. Yes, they usually called terrestrial bodies because they resemble the Earth, and they are primarily really composed of what? Of rock and metal. That is their primary main. So now at the end of the day, now let's go to the 4 outer planets, which are the Jupiter, the Saturn, the Venus, and the Neptune. These are the outer planets, which is also called the giant planet. The giant planet. So now this giant planet we're talking about, but do you know that inside the giant planets we have 2 largest planets, which are what? The Jupiter and the Saturn, which are composed mainly by hydrogen and helium. That is the second segment I wanted to explain. Now let me talk about the last segment, which is the planet itself possesses number of moons around them. So now let's start with the first one, which is the Mercury. Mercury has no moon around them. You know, this moon I'm talking about, they are one of the examples of what? Of a natural satellite. Satellite is classified into two types of satellites. We have natural and artificial. So now this planet I'm talking about, they possesses moon around there, and moon is one of the examples. So Mercury does not have any moon around it. Then number 2, Venus too does not have any moon. The moon around it is 0. Then the number 3, which is the Earth. Earth possesses only 1 moon around it. Then number 4, we have Mars. Mars has only 2 moons. Then the next one, which is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the highest planet that possesses the highest number of moon around it, which is 12. It possesses 12 moon. Then the next one, which is the Saturn. Saturn is 9 moons around them. We have Uranus is 5. We have Neptune is 2. Yes, it possesses 2. So Pluto is left behind. So if you look at this that we're talking about, this is a brief explanation of what? Of a solar system. And at the end of the day, you notice we are keeping Pluto aside because Pluto does not even have any. It does not even attain the 3 criteria that was introduced in that year. that period. So, and that's the reason why they decided to, okay, they don't want to know whether if he possesses a moon or not or whatever. So that is not even being classified because he was downgraded due to his nonchalant attitude. Let me use that word, nonchalant attitude. That's the reason why they said, okay, Pluto, since you don't want to follow our rule, let's keep you aside. So now that is it under this video. I thank you for watching, for following me, for subscribing. Please do well to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on different social media. I will try to create a flyer that I will give you so that you can follow me on all those days. And if you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comment section. Yes, it will move me, or you are pushing me more to create more videos on that. Not just only in physics. You can ask me question in mathematics. You can ask me question in further maths. I will create time to create more videos for you to benefit. And if you share it to others, others might benefit from it. And at the end of the day, we will solve our problems academically and we'll keep moving. Thank you. Nice making business with you. I love you all. Thank you very much.